Inday is a threat to your political ambition. Mga gago. Tangina nyo, gagaguhin yung taong bayan. Inday Sara Duterte is a threat to your political ambition. Is a threat to your activities of corruption. Tangina nyo. And we will polarize. Para kay Inday. Maggago kayo. Gago talaga kayo. Gigil na gigil ako eh. Okay. She is not a threat to national security, mga kababayan. Tandaan nyo yan. She is the hope of this country. She is the hope of this country. Tandaan nyo yan. At doon kami tayo. Wag na wag nyong sasaktan yan. Wag na wag nyong sasaktan yan. Kasi papatayin namin kayong lahat. Uubusin namin kayo. Yan ang threat sa presidente. Putangin na nyo lahat. Subukan nyo kami ngayon. Gago kayo. Tangina ninyo.